How to loop a song on Spotify without a premium. So let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open the app and you click on your library. On the top right you'll find a plus icon. Click on that. Click on playlist. For example, I'll name this playlist loop. Okay, I created it. Once I create it, I click on add on what all songs do I have to add. So I click on Big Dogs and I search on the playlist. I add another Big Dogs, the remix version of it. Unfortunately, this is the only way you can hear the same song in repeat in your playlist. So here I have the two songs available here. There will be slight changes, but it's almost like you're hearing the same song. This is the unfortunate news that this is the only possible way to hear one song on a loop. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.